I am the Monitor, in charge of the protection of the multiverse. An unprecedented crisis approaches that we cannot stop alone. A twisted entity from the dark multiverse is determined to spread darkness, sow terror, and drag all universes into endless chaos. Justice falls. Many monitors have fallen. The fate of the multiverse has reached a critical juncture. Chaos and darkness are devouring hope. That is the fate that awaits our world if this darkest night is triumphant. Its heroes gone. Earth, as we know it, will cease to exist. You are our only hope to avert this great disaster. I am the Monitor. My task is the protection of the multiverse. And the multiverse is in great danger. If you suddenly gained extraordinary powers like Superman, how would you use them? How would you deal with a powerful dark force that seems impossible to defeat? There is a dangerous mission involving the survival of the world that requires you. What would you do? Well spoken, my champion. By what name shall I call you? Very well. Sign your name. Take my power, my thanks, and the last hopes of this universe.
I received a telepathic communication from the Monitor. I'm sending you coordinates to a backup Batcave location. Once I've finished up here, I'll meet you at the attached coordinates.
I'm getting too old to wake up not knowing where I am. But I feel a lot better. Green Arrow, ready. Who are you? If he trusts you, so do I. This place has been damaged. We need to activate the war room and reboot its basic systems.